Hello, welcome to my channel. Actually, I'm just planning to going to start one session on data preparation basically. So like today is the first video on that topic. Okay, and slowly I will upload almost all the common techniques for data preparation. So basically, data preparation is very important. Very important. Anyway, suppose you have data like any type of data you have, and if you want to build any model, like you want to apply any model, either it's a logistic regression, wave based decision tree, any regression, any model, आपको डेटा प्रिपरेशन उससे पहले तो करना ही है, ठीक है. So now there are lots of techniques for data preparation, and I'm not saying कि ये better है या वो better है, but I will try to cover all the common data preparation topics. Okay, so like today I will cover very simple techniques for data preparation, and slowly I am going to cover all the important data preparation techniques. Okay, so let's talk about the today session about data preparation. So just think like this. Just a minute. Just think like this. Suppose you have a data. Okay, like suppose you have this data. Maybe you have this data, okay, and suppose this is basically your feature, maybe f1 and f2, and this is your target. Just this is very simple data. And just think कि suppose ऐसा होता है कि ये जो data है and this data are same, like here you can say 3 to 4, this time writing like 3 to 4 and again see 3 to 4. सो अब देखिए एक्चुअली ये तीनों डेटा में अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, सो this and this both are इसके duplicates है, like both are the duplicate of this first row. So क्या इन डेटा का इंपॉर्टेंस बचा क्या हमारे मॉडल के लिए? आप ऐसे सोचिए, क्या इसके अंदर कोई नया इंफॉर्मेशन है इस डेटा के अंदर? इसके अंदर नहीं है. So whenever you have data and you try to build a model, first try to see whether there is some duplicates available in this data in your data or not. Suppose there are some duplicates in your data, पहले आप उसको क्लीन करें, उसको डिलीट करें, क्योंकि उसका इस डेटा को रिमूव कर देना चाहिए कि इसका तो कोई मतलब नहीं होगा मॉडल पे, क्योंकि इसके अंदर कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं है, अनावश्यक जिस डेटा की लेंथ इंप्रूव कर रहा है, अदरवाइज हमारे मॉडल की इंप्रूवमेंट का कोई स्कोप नहीं है. इट विल नॉट गोइंग टू इंप्रूव आवर मॉडल एफिशिएंसी. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू ड्रॉप दिस डेटा. ओके, it's very simple, but it's very important. Okay, so even in Python and Pandas, we have library to see whether there are some duplicates available in your data or not. If available, so we can delete that duplicates using the Pandas library. Okay, so let's see. Just let's go to the Jupyter notebook and try to see whether there are some duplicates available or not. If available, we will drop that. Okay, so let's see this. See this, I'm just reading this data, like this data. Here you can see this is very simple data. Here you can, I will provide this file and all in the comment, so don't worry. So here you can see this interest rate and unemployment rate stock with very simple data. And I want to see see whether there are some duplicate available in this data or not. Okay. So the series I'm writing data that duplicated is already written in the pandas, and I'm checking. So where x dot n is true. Is true means yes, there are some duplicates available in this data. If it's false, it means there is no duplicates. But here is saying is true. True means we have data, we duplicated data. So don't worry about this. See this. Yeah, these are the duplicates data. Okay, आप देखिए ये पहला है 3.4, 6.5 and 2300. See this. Just see this 3.1. There are two lines, this line and this line. It means if you are saying this is correct one, so this is the duplicate one. Okay, so यहाँ पे सिर्फ duplicates दिख रहे हैं. Okay, so this is duplicate. Again, this is the duplicate. If you are able to see here two lines, it means the same three lines available in this data, three rows. इसीलिए यहाँ पे दो दिख रहे हैं because both are duplicates of that one. Okay, so now we have to drop this duplicates क्योंकि हमें इनको यूज नहीं करना है. So I'm just writing data dot drop duplicates and equals true. So it means in place 2 it means we are going to drop the duplicate and save. Okay. So after this command, just check again whether there are duplicates available in not, and if my text.any is saying false, it means there is no duplicates. Getting my point? So if you are able to find the duplicates, drop it from your table. Okay. सो इट लुक्स वेरी सिंपल एंड सिंपल इज रियली सिंपल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि आपके पास डेटा है वो बहुत बड़ा डेटा सेट हो और उसमें डुप्लीकेट्स हो तो वो केवल अपने डेटा के लेंथ को बढ़ा रहा है, नंबर ऑफ रोज को बढ़ा रहा है, बट उसका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है क्योंकि उसके अंदर कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? अब उसके अंदर कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो डेटा वैसे भी यूजफुल नहीं रहा। सो वेन एवर यू हैव डेटा, ट्राई टू चेक कि इसके अंदर कितने डुप्लीकेट्स हैं। इफ देर आर डुप्लीकेट, प्लीज ड्रॉप इट, कोई मतलब नहीं है उसका। ठीक है? So okay, so this is the first and very basic thing I want to cover that, and slowly I will upload all the techniques, common techniques for data preparation. I will also share the file and everything in comment box. Okay, so thank you to all of you, and suppose you like this, if you like this, if you find this like आपके लिए like थोड़ा भी help हो रही है आपके knowledge में, so please like this video. Okay, thank you very much.